Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing this cute little style, so we're going to get straight into it. This hair is from Westkiss. This is their 13x4 curly 180% density 22-inch HD lace frontal wig. Look at the hairline, it's so natural looking, and only thing I had to do was add foundation to this wig. It was already pre-plucked and everything looks very natural. So I like to cut my lace off prior to adding my adhesive. I did use a new adhesive today. I think it was the Eben Wonder Lace or something like that. And y'all, I had a tough time with this, y'all. Like, it started off smooth. It started off real nice. It was cool. It started drying really quick though. As y'all can see, I was flying through my layers. But yeah, it started drying down really quick, and when it dried down quick, it just wasn't sticky at all. So I did have moments where the lace was kind of not adhering to the adhesive and it was just lifting up, but it ended up working out in the end. After that, I'm going to cut the baby hairs and curl them. I use a small flat iron for this, and I just feel like that step is very crucial because it just helps your baby hairs lay way better. Like, it's easier to mold your baby hairs pretty much. Okay, so this is where I want y'all to trust the process for real, because as y'all can see, certain parts of the lace wasn't sticking down like I told y'all before, and then also y'all can visibly see the lace, but by the end of the video, I promise it's gonna be melted. Just trust the process. And today we're doing the big baby hairs because that's what my god sister wanted. I have been really into the no baby hair look lately, but again, it's all preference, and I feel like the baby hairs are very fitting for the style that she's going for. So it's really all personal preference with the mixture of whatever style that you're going for. So yeah. Before I put the band on, y'all, I went in with the Eben spray and I just sprayed the hairline, and I made sure that it was completely dry before adding the band. That would just help with the melting process. But now we're gonna get into braiding the hair. That was the style that she wanted today. I love braids with the curly units. Any like braided style is found me. So we pretty much about to do 2 French braids along the hairline. Before I started my braiding, I went in and I made sure I combed the section out. And I went over it with my hot comb as well, just to get like the kinks out, because while I do love a curly unit, it is very easy for it to become tangled, and I just wasn't trying to deal with that. So here I am. I'm going to begin the braid, and I did start try to stitch it, but really it's just I'm taking piece by piece and I'm making sure the pieces being pulled tightly so that the braid is tight and neat, if they make any type of sense. That was a struggle to get that out. But also I am braiding along the hairline. So as you guys can see, I'm braiding closer to the hairline. I'm not braiding back on a diagonal. I'm pulling the braid forward along the hairline. can we get into this lace, y'all? Like, look at this. It is serving scalp for sure. So shout out to Westkiss for the bleach job, because some companies don't get it right sometimes. And I used to be skeptical about companies bleaching the hair because, sometimes it be falling out. But I didn't have those problems with Westkiss, and this is giving scalp, so I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, y'all, so the braids turned out really nice. I'm actually happy that it turned out nice the first go around, because normally I would have to re-braid at least one of them because they normally don't be the same. But I'm just going to go ahead and pull it back. But before I pull them back and connect them, I'm definitely going to hot comb the top part. You want to have that flat as possible. And then you just go ahead, pull your braid back, connect the braids, add you some water to this hair, get the curls popping, and that's pretty much like the final look, y'all. I really like this style. It was really cute, real quick and simple as well. And she loved this hairstyle, y'all. She got the feeling herself. Y'all about to see her put her lip gloss on and everything in a minute. Again, this is hair from Westkiss hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal. This is 22 inches, 180% density curly unit. Of course, my god sister will update me and I will give you guys the update. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so that you are aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.